Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Sweet and sour pork on the menu today. This is really easy. Few ingredients, but delicious and super, super tasty. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So half a carrot, I've just cut that into little rounds. A little bit of bell pepper, 1 onion. Now, it's all quite chunky, these, cut it nice and chunky. And then what we've got for the sweet and sour, we've got ketchup. I've got 3 tablespoons ketchup, 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, same for soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I've got just a white vinegar in there, a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic there sliced, and roughly equal amounts of ginger. We're going to start this off with some oil, and of course we're going to add some pork. Let's take a look at that. So I'm using pork loin. You could use belly pork if you want, but this is sort of much leaner, a little bit of fat on it, which is perfect. And here I've got about 600 grams, and I've cut it into nice strips, as you can see. Let's get to the cooker. So wok, I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. Now, there's not a lot of oil in there because we're probably going to get a bit of fat from our meat. So in goes the pork. We're on a above medium heat. We're going to fry this around for about 6 minutes. I'm going to get a nice little bit of colour on it. Keep it moving. I'll see you when that's done. Absolutely wonderful. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fetch this out, set it to one side for a moment. I'm going to reduce that oil down by about 50%, and then we're straight back in here. Okay, on a really nice high heat now, reduce that down now. Look, all of that, we've got some lovely goodness in that pan. Don't clean the pan, that's perfect. What we're going to do, we're going to start off by dropping in half of the onion. And then we're going to put in the garlic, the ginger. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Fantastic, nice high heat. Now let's go in with the bell pepper and a little bit of carrot. You could be putting some broccoli or something in here if you wanted, different little veg, nice and chunky. We're now going to get the pork back inside. Really lovely, really, really lovely looking. We're going to add some black pepper. We're not adding salt to this because we've got some salty stuff in liquid form, especially the fish sauce. Really, really lovely, lovely stuff this is. Really easy and beautiful. So, here we go. We're going to add the white vinegar, the soy. I'm using a dark soy. The ketchup. Nice tomato ketchup. The oyster sauce. Again, you've got some salt in there with that. The fish sauce, very, very salty. We've got some sugar there, brown sugar, in that goes. To that, we're going to add a little bit of water. Little stir. We're going to add the rest of the onion. So we've got half onion that's kind of, been cooked and some that's raw in there. We're going to go just for 4 more minutes on this high heat, stirring pretty much all the time. So this high heat has actually reduced the sweet and sour sauce down, it's thickened. If it was too watery still, you could add a little corn flour with a little bit of water, a little slurry, but that is absolutely perfect. I'm going to get the heat off. That's done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Rice in the middle, nice plain steamed rice. Little bit of green onion there. That's delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.